Meridian Trimmer charging problems are common, but usually fixable with systematic troubleshooting. We'll work through the most effective solutions step by step. First, verify your charging cable and power adapter. Try a different USB cable and adapter that you know work properly. Ensure the adapter provides the correct voltage, typically 5 volts at 2 amps. Next, inspect and clean the charging ports. Look for dirt, hair, or debris in both the trimmer's charging port and the charging dock. Use a soft toothbrush or compressed air to gently remove any obstructions. If you're using a USB-C cable, try switching to a USB-C to USB-A cable instead. Some users have found this resolves charging issues when USB-C to USB-C cables fail to work properly. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your charging issue, more advanced solutions may be needed, including resetting the trimmer or checking for hardware problems. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, we need to try more advanced fixes. Let's start with a reset procedure that can resolve many charging issues. The reset procedure is simple but effective. First, plug your trimmer into the charging cable. Then quickly unplug it and wait exactly 1 minute before turning it back on. If the reset doesn't work, inspect your charging stand carefully. Look inside for metal pins that might be blocked by small plastic pieces or debris. If cleaning doesn't help, the battery itself might be the problem, especially in older devices. Test this by connecting the trimmer directly to the charging cable. When all troubleshooting fails, it's time to contact Meridian support. They're responsive about replacing trimmers under warranty and may provide free replacement cables, though shipping fees might apply. Remember these advanced fixes. Reset by plugging and unplugging quickly. Inspect charging stand pins for debris. Test the battery with direct cable connection. And don't hesitate to contact support for warranty assistance.